Welcome back to our entertainment channel where we brief you with the latest and trending news in our Kikuyu entertainment field. Our celebrated Kikuyu gospel artist and a pastor BED.THE Mwangi has of late been trending on Facebook and Twitter as details emerge that she is a con artist. BED.THE Mwangi has done the song Many cases have been raised in the past days of her conning hardworking Kenyans in the Gulf region who fall into traps and lay their trust to pastors, presenters, artists, broadcasting on our social media platforms. Her story is currently trending on METHA KAGONI YouTube channel of BED.THE conning a young man 126,000 Kenyan shillings as he was in his dialysis bed. The young man came back to Kenya, hence he could not continue with the expensive treatment back in his work region Kuwait. Our doctors advised him to have his body checked within 3 days of arriving in Kenya, but he failed, hence he did not have enough money. All his money was stuck with Pastor BED.THE. Details have emerged that Pastor BED.THE has served some months in LANGATA women's prison of allegations of conmanship. And I quote Mother Mwangi, evangelist BED.THE Mwangi is a hardcore criminal who previously was detained at LANGATA women's prison for conmanship and theft. This is a photo I sourced out of her in prison. Then she goes ahead and tags hashtag arrest BED.THE Mwangi again. The same allegations are also trending on Wairimu Kimani's page. Not once, not twice has she been exposed. Let's hope all complainants get justice and we continue subscribing and sharing the video. Thanks for watching.